Hi everybody, Peter here. Happy Wednesday. So you're looking at a pair of foot pegs that belong to a TM 125 Suzuki, a vintage bike. And the way these are made, this is a later peg. This is the part from the original peg here. And I built these about, I want to say 4 or 5 years ago. I may have built them at the track. At any rate, I don't know if we can get focused in here, but you can see the weld. Yeah, that hopefully isn't glaring too much. And they've held up pretty well, I guess. This one seems to be good. I've checked it for cracks and everything. This one, unfortunately, failed at the recent Unadilla event. And the guy that owns it, he wasn't mad, but I insisted that he send it back to me so I could inspect it and try to see what caused its failure. I'm trying to manipulate this back into position here so I can kind of show you what happened. Give me 1 second here while I... There we go. Alright, so... Damn it. Okay. So you can see this one. Let me see if I can get this up in here. Focus. There we go. So you can see, obviously it's a TIG weld. For those of you that are experienced welders, you'll see this, right? Now to me, outwardly, it didn't look like there was any real reason for this failure, but it broke through the weld. It tore out some of the parent material, and I looked and I tried to figure it out. Well, I started looking at the other peg, and there's a difference. It's my doing. Right in, well, let me see if I can get this back. Damn. All right. This, let me see if I can get this dope together here for you. All right, if you can look right here, you'll see that kind of, it looks funny, like a little pocket. I don't know if this will focus on that or not, but I think what happened was two things. One, there's a stress riser. You can see, I guess we can do this. There we go. It broke right through the middle of the weld. But if you look, you see where that funny spot is, right in the middle? I need a pointer of some sort. There we go. All right. Right there. That little spot, I think, is what caused the problem. And when this is back in place, this doesn't want to sit, like it just barely moves. Now I can't tell if that's because the weld, when it broke, obviously it broke this way because of the force on the foot peg. My suspicion is the crack began right here. And what happened was, this joint was more of a fusion joint than it was an actual weld with filler. And there's the bite, and both sides were pretty good, but it broke right through the middle of the weld. You can see it. See there? But I think that it originated on this side right here, and that when this was welded out, for some reason there was a stress built into it where the two flat sides meet. So this piece had preload put into it from the weldment. If you look at this one, now keep in mind this is the peg on the opposite side, so that spot that I'm talking about is going to be here. But you can see, let me get that to focus in there. This one doesn't have that lack of filler wire. This is single pass weld, And I've only had one other peg do this out of the hundreds that I've made. I'm starting to think that what I need to do from now on is put a double pass down this side and down this side. I don't know that there'd be any advantage to adding more material at the top. There could be, but it'd basically be a crowned weld, which in a way would introduce its own stress to the issue. So I'm going to repair this other one and update this one. That's going to be another video. I just thought I wanted to give you guys kind of an update of what's been going on, among other things. I have some more pipe work to do, shock mount relocation on a Can-Am, build a tailpipe, put a muffler on it, stuff like that. So that'll be another video coming up. But anyway, that's it for now. I'll have a video of these pegs being repaired. Hopefully I can get my act together. My luck videoing hasn't been really good. Keep ending up with corrupt data somehow. I may have to get a different camera. At any rate, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you do, tell your friends. Comment. You know, check like. That's about it for now. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.